Hi. Yeah, I'm glad you're here, and welcome to the class, Psychology 111, Industrial Organizational Psychology. Each week, I will post a video lecture, and it'll include a transcript as well, and I'll try to keep them short. For this week one, I want to talk about careers in psychology. And psychology as a field is considered fairly young, having only started about 125 years ago, somewhere in that area. An undergrad degree in psychology is really a good preparation for grad school. I mean, it prepares you for a variety of subjects. Many companies today value degrees in psychology. For example, just a few titles that have been listed were rehabilitation assistant, retail sales, supervision, entrepreneuring, which is becoming more popular today, certainly in secondary education and organizational training. ASTD stands for the American Society for Training and Development, and their careers center listed 122 job openings in training and development alone, and that's just recent. I just checked that. The majority of these jobs required a bachelor's degree plus some training experience. An advanced degree is a requirement in only a small percentage of the jobs posted at the Career Center, so this just gives you some idea of the opportunities available. The website for the American Psychological Association lists these subfields in psychology. As you can see, it's really a diverse field. There's a lot of different ways you can go. There's, of course, clinical psychology and counseling psychology, which are the best known. Forensic psychology is testifying in courts, say, like, for example, in drug abuse cases or drug testing cases. Health psychology becoming very popular today. Neuropsychology, also a lot of research being done in neuropsychology. Rehabilitation psychology, cognitive psych, developmental psychology, evolutionary psychology, experimental psychology, quantitative psychology, which is statistics and research methods, sports psychology, another popular area, educational psychology, which is actually psychology of learning and teaching now, school psychology along with that, industrial organizational psychology, where you get an overview in this class, engineering psychology, and social psychology. So you can see there's a lot of diversity within the field. The growth areas, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, certainly would be health psychology is probably number one. And in particular, outpatient care, substance abuse, education, and an expectation that education will increase mental health services. And if you think there's things like ADHD, just as one example, autism, working with special needs children. And then there's all the testing that's done in education. Social services, management consulting is also a growth area, and I would add to this the newer field of environmental and climate psychology. Okay, psychology is certainly a popular topic in schools. I know the APA listed during a period from 2000 to 2003, it was the most popular major selected by undergrads, and there was over 74,000 graduates in 2000. The APA has a student affiliation program where they let you belong at a discounted rate, and that includes a subscription to their journal and their news magazine. The APA also has the MUSE program, which stands for Minority Undergraduate Students of Excellence, and there's financial aid to outstanding undergraduate minority candidates interested in graduate psychology studies. So some opportunities there by belonging. kind of in summary, the psychology degree is good in preparing you to be successful for just about whatever you want to do. Critical thinking is a big part of the degree, and the knowledge can be applied to any job. And there are certainly multiple career paths, so something that you may want to consider for the future. Um, I use the APA site online and ASTD Job Bank, um, and these references will be included in the transcript. Thanks.